Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there, and today, we have the best from Camworld, the 4K video camera camcorder, perfect for YouTube vlogging, streaming, and so much more. The Camworld 4K video camera is an incredible tool for creators. Right out of the box, you're getting a 4K UHD recording at 30 FPS and 42 megapixels photo resolution. This gives you high-quality videos with excellent clarity, making it perfect for vlogs, online tutorials, or just capturing beautiful moments. The camera features an 18x digital zoom, which is ideal for those distant shots, and the 3.0-inch 270-degree rotation screen allows you to adjust the angle easily, giving you complete flexibility when recording. Now, if you're someone who often shoots in low-light conditions, you'll appreciate the built-in LED fill light that complements the light source, helping you capture high-definition photos and videos even in the dark. Whether you're filming indoors at night or out at sunset, this camcorder ensures your videos are bright and clear. Plus, if you want to set up your camera on a tripod, you can, as the camera base comes with a 1/4 thread interface, though the tripod itself is not included. When it comes to recording, you'll love the ease of use. You can actually record while charging, which is super handy for those long shoots. The camera comes with two 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries, and each one lasts for up to 90 minutes, so you won't be interrupted by low battery issues during your recordings. And if you're someone who likes streaming or video chatting, this camcorder doubles as a webcam. By connecting it to your computer via USB, you can use it for live streaming or video calls, making it a versatile tool for all your needs. The pause function is another great feature. Instead of starting a new recording file every time you stop filming, you can simply pause and continue in the same file, saving you time when editing. This is especially useful if you're recording a long event or vlog and don't want to deal with multiple files. Aside from these essential features, the camcorder offers slow motion and time-lapse modes, allowing you to get creative with your shots. Whether you're filming a fast-moving scene in slow motion or capturing a long event in a quick time lapse, you have the flexibility to enhance your storytelling. And don't worry about your lens getting scratched. The camera comes with a protective lens cover to keep it safe. Finally, customer satisfaction is a top priority for Camworld, and they've made sure to include everything you need in the box. The camcorder itself, 2 batteries, a 32GB SD card, a charger, a USB cable, a remote control, and even a camcorder bag to keep everything organized. To sum it up, the Camworld 4K video camera camcorder is perfect for YouTube vloggers, casual filmmakers, or anyone looking for a versatile and high-quality video camera. With all its features, including 4K recording, LED fill light, digital zoom, and webcam functionality, it's designed to help you create professional content effortlessly. So, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned creator, this camcorder is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best tech products out there.